Good morning, students. This video is for class 6 science, and as we have already finished off with the explanation of the chapter, today I will write the answer for the short questions. Question number 1. A. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. A camel has long legs to dash. It has long legs to keep its body away from the heat. To keep its body away from the heat. Number B. The thick and waxy stem in a cactus plant help in retaining water. That means to hold water. Number C. Animals living in mountainous region have thick fur. Now, number D. The trees that grow in mountainous region have They have cone-shaped and sloping branches. They are cone-shaped and sloping branches. Number E. The needle-like leaves of mountain trees helps them to sliding of the snow. Sliding of the snow. Number F. Plants that float in water is duckweed. Among the given option, duckweed is the correct answer. And number G. Which of the following is a xerophyte? That means which of them grows in the desert? Cactus also grows, palm tree also, as well as teak. So the answer will be all of them. So please note this down in your book. Now fill in the blanks. Question number 2. A. The function of spines in desert plants is to It is to reduce water loss. Reduce water loss. Number B. Animals living in mountainous region are adapted to live in climate, in cold climate, because the climate in the mountains is cold. Number C. The habitat of frogs is Where do frog lives? Among the given option, pond. And number D. Desert snakes and rats come out mostly during the day and night. Mostly they come out during the night, because the days in the desert are very hot, extremely hot. Number E. Fish absorb oxygen from water using their gills. Number F. The plant that shows adaptation to air is called as epiphytus. Epiphytus are the plants that shows the adaptation in air. And number G. Arrowhead is an example of emergent plant. Arrowhead is an example of emergent plant. Now, question number 3, that is true and false. The spines in the cactus plants are the modified leaves. Yes, the leaves modify themselves into spines so that they reduce the loss of water as well as protect themselves from being eaten by enemies. So the answer is true. Number B. Desert climates are hot during the day and cold during the night. True. The days are extremely hot and the nights are cold. Number C. Animals such as zebra and giraffe are found in desert. The statement is false, and there can be, I said always for a wrong statement there can be two correct. So if you want to strike off zebra and giraffe, you can give two examples. For this, you can give camel and snake, camel and snakes. But if you want to keep zebra and zebra and giraffe, then you can strike off desert. In place of desert, you can write forest. Number D. Desert plants are called xerophytes. Yes, the plants that grow in the desert, they are known as xerophytes. True. And number E, water lily is a floating plant. False. Water lily is not a floating plant. It is a fixed plant. So instead of floating, you can write fixed. Or else, if you want to write keep floating as the correct answer, then you can underline water lily and you can write here duckweed or water hyacinth, any option. So children, for today I'll keep it till here. In the next class, next video, I'll be writing the short answer, that is define the following, as well as choose the odd or not. So children, for today up to this much. Thank you class.